Hello and welcome, friends of aviation, to this next flight on the Europe tour on VATSIM. This time from Sardinia Allegro Fertiglia Airport to the Leonardo da Vinci Fiumicino Airport in Rome with the A320. As this is a route from Lufthansa Virtual, I take this flight into account. And here are the details. Call sign is Itero 1580. Departure Sardinia to Rome. Alternate airport will be Malpensa in Milano. Cruise level 260. Airtime about 45 minutes and the whole flight 1 hour and 13 minutes. The route, we will go out via runway 20, Minka 6 uniform, then over direction east for our arrival. Expected 16 left or 16 right, depending to the controller, via the Valma 3 Alpha arrival. It is active runway 20, wind 280 at 9, temperature 13, QNH 1012, transition level 80.
Passengers boarding starting.
Before start checklist, the APU started, APU bleed on, external power is off, doors are closed, beacon set to on, and now the ACERS set to on. We'll do the pushback, Kilo face left, then Kilo Hotel, Foxtrot Alpha, runway 20.
Be careful when opening the overhead bins. All aisles and emergency exits must be free of any personal items. The cabin crew will provide any necessary assistance. Thank you.
Ciao, ciao. After start checklist, APU bleed off, APU master off. Pitch trim down 04 checked. Engine mode selector normal. Spoilers armed, flaps 1, rudder trim 0. Light controls full up, full down, full left, full right, rudders full left, full right. Checked neutral, door page, and ECAM status normal checked. Before takeoff, chrono on, TCAST here, R8 tilt above, transponder mode, Charlie, landing lights on, extra lights on, and strobes on. Let's go. $100 checked. V1 rotate. Positive climb. Gears up. Have to take off checklist, external lights off, spoilers disarmed, flaps 0, and transition will be passed shortly by reference to standard cross-checked. Passing 100, landing lights off and seatbelt sign off.
Signore e signori, potete slacciarvi le cinture di sicurezza. Tuttavia, vi preghiamo di tenerle sempre allacciate mentre siete seduti. Ladies and gentlemen, you may unfasten your seatbelts, but we encourage you to keep them fastened while seated.
You're flying here the north part from Sardinia. After that we will do here the right turn. And then we enter in controlled airspace, Roma radar on 124200. We left Sardinia now. I will change now to Roma radar. Roma ciao, Itaro 1580, video flight level 260.
Itaro 1580, Roma buonasera, squawk 7063.
7063, Itaro 1580. Roma 80, information
Itaro
Delta.
1580, Roma radar contact. Clear Valma 3 Alpha arrival, expect RS Whiskey, runway 16 left.
Expect 16 left, and we are clear for the Valma 3 Alpha, was that? Itaro 1580.
Correct, Valma 3 Alpha.
Valma 3 Alpha, Itaro 1580. 16 left. Then transition level 75, the wind 190 at 10, and temperature 15, QNH 1007.
Itaro 1580, descent to flight level 180.
Descent level 180, Itaro 1580. Arrival will be the Valma 3 Alpha, here it is, so Valma then bid me left turn to Romeo Foxtrot 424, again right Romeo Foxtrot 426, and then to Suwak. After that we're okay for the LSL Whiskey, Romeo 16 left, here it is, so Airbus at 3000 and down with the ILS.
Itaro 1580, Roma descent to flight level 100, 100.
Descent level 100, Itaro 1580.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have started descending to our destination. The captain informs that from now on the use of any electronic device is forbidden. For safe landing, please make sure that all hand luggage is securely stowed in the overhead lockers.
Yeah, we have some traffic around, but with the transition
Itaro 1580, Roma clear, direct G-PAP, shortcut.
Level 01. Roma radar indicated 0, leaving Pisa,
there was something for me,
heading
I
to
guess.
destination airport, sir.
Okay, stand by to all station, Itaro 1580, Roma direct G-PAP.
Direct G-PAP, Itaro 1580. Reaching 100, landing lights on.
Wind 190 degrees, 10 knots. Itaro 1580, descent altitude 6000 feet, QNH 1007.
QNH 1007, descent 6000, Itaro 1580. Pre-descent checklist, 80s Delta on board, MCU config checked, auto brakes 2, medium,
235, Roma.
seatbelt sign on, and transition attitude, flight level 75.
Itaro 1580, 4000 feet, fly direct Oxero, shortcut.
Direct Oxero down to 4000, Itaro 1580.
Tomjet 2162, monitor advisory 122.8, ciao.
FG Unicom 122.8, thank you for your ATC, goodbye.
Approach checklist, landing system
See you next time.
on,
Bye bye, ciao from Olympic 80.
external lights on,
6198.
and ECAM status checked and normal.
Itaro 1580, 2500 feet, clear LS Whiskey 16 left, report established.
Down to 2500 and clear the ILS Whiskey around 16 left will report when established Euro Itaro 1580.
Anima Wings 610, Roma radar contact, climb to flight level 240. Anima Wings 610, Roma radar contact, climb to flight level 240.
Speed checked, flaps 1.
Taxi.
Approach activated.
Quebec and
Descent 240 with a Malta 6 right man.
Anima Wings 610, recycle
Speed
squawk
checked, flaps 2.
Anima Wings 610, Roma fly direct
Speed checks, flaps
Victor
3.
Alpha Papa, uniform Papa.
Direct Vapupa, Anima Wings 610.
Itaro 1580 on the ILS Whiskey 16 left.
Itaro 1580, Roma Roger, 8 miles, 16 left, clear to land, wind 190 degrees, 10 knots, long rollout is approved.
Clear the land, runway 16 left, copy the wind and roll long out approved, Itaro 1580.
Roma Wizard 235, ready for taxi.
Gears down. Speed checked, flaps full.
Runway 25, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, Itaro 1475.
Wizard 235, taxi Alpha, Mike, Hotel, enter
Take the
back
control.
runway 23, line up, report ready for departure.
Departure Loma 7 Foxtrot, initial climb 6,000 feet, runway 23, squawk 5502, Santurk 977.
Santurk 977, read back correct, QNH 1001, when ready, push and start is approved.
200. When H1001 report was ready for pushback, Santurk 977.
You will report ready for taxi.
Sorry, ready for taxi.
40, 30.
Roma radar, hello again, taxi 8, Victor Golf, 40 point, Bravo, Bravo.
Sorry, two stations together, first India Kilo Tango, Roma Roger, runway 22, clear to land, wind Pescara 240 degrees, 12 knots, closing communication 38. Ciao, buonanotte.
Clear to land, runway 22 for India Fox from Kilo Tango, buonanotte, alla prossima.
Turkish 6 Sierra Romeo, Roma, welcome back, radar contact, climb to flight level 230.
Climbing 230, Turkish 6 Sierra Romeo, sorry, our VPilot is disconnected.
After landing, chrono stopped at 42 minutes. Transponder standby. Flaps retracted, spoilers retracted. Strobes off. Landing lights off. Nose light taxi and APU on. Ground hello, Itaro 1580 at Delta Hotel Video.
01580, welcome to Rome, taxi to stand 406 via Delta, Echo Golf, Hotel 406.
Delta, then Echo Golf, Hotel to stand 407.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated till we reached our final parking position and the seatbelt signs has been switched off. If you want to see more of this content, please support me in smashing the like button and leave a comment. Thanks for being on this flight today and have a good time.
So next will be Echo Golf, then down till Hotel.
Ruins 1 Charlie, maintain position. Break it 125, Fiume.
Go ahead, sir.
Almost done. We're passing now stand 407 and then we need to turn in on the left side to 406.
Fever ground, Euro 779, stand 303, ready to push a start. Correction, Airwings 779 Fiume. Push and start approved, facing north, release point 32, start at point 32.
And that's it from this flight. Touchdown at -199 with a bounce and touchdown at -18, so I can close this one as successful. If you want to follow me on this Euro trip on VATSIM, just hit the subscribe button, leave a like if you like the work, and I hope to see you by the next one. Have fun. Bye bye.